Hi everyone, I'm Flora Uzoka. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite a user to QuickBooks Online. I'm also going to show you how to invite your accountant to QuickBooks Online. So the number of users you can have depends on your price plan, depends on the version of QuickBooks you're using. If you're using self-employed, you won't be able to invite any user to QuickBooks Online. If you're using Simple Start, you're able to invite just one user to QuickBooks Online. With Essentials, you can invite up to 3 users to QuickBooks Online. With Plus version, you can invite up to 5 users to QuickBooks Online. With Advanced, you can invite up to 25 users to QuickBooks Online. So it's important to know what kind of permission you want to give to the user before you give the user the role, before you assign the role to the user. So let me show you how to invite a user. In the software, while you're trying to invite a user, you will see the permission you're giving to the user, the access you're giving to the user that you're inviting. Let me show you how to access it. To invite a user, click on the setting cog. Under company, select manage users. By default, the users tab is selected. So you can see in this one I'm using, this sample company I'm using, we already have 2 users. So you have the primary admin. The primary admin by default is the person that set up the account. So the primary admin has access to everything. He can assign a role, he can delete a role, he can edit, he can do anything in QuickBooks Online. So if you're going to invite a user, what you need to do, click select add user. So once you select add user, you add the name, write the name of the person, the first name, enter the last name, and the email address. In this box here, this section here, you select the role. That's when you assign the role. So to actually know the access each role has, when you select a particular role, if you select this company admin, so you see the access you're giving. So with the company admin has full access to sales, that's full access to expenses, has full access to product and services, has full access to list, has full access to everything. The company admin has full access to everything. If you select, so you just select the user, select the role, then you see the access you're giving. You select standard all, so you can see all the access you're giving to the user you are inviting. So it depends on, so you need to know what access you want the user to have before you select the user. So let's just select the company, the standard limited customer supply. So you see the access you're giving to the standard limited customer supply. Standard limited customer supply has access to customer and has access to supply. That's the only information. Customer and sales, supply and expenses. Anything that has to do with customer, sales, supply and expenses has access. But it cannot edit role, it cannot assign role. So the access is only limited to customer and suppliers and the sales and expenses. So when you see the role, the access you're giving, you select what you're okay with or what you actually want. So when you select the access you want the user to have, then you click send invitation. I don't want to send this invitation, so you just click send invitation to send it to the person. It's a good thing to ensure that the email address that you enter is actually correct, so that the person will receive the email. So I want to show you, if you want to edit a user, you can edit a user as the primary admin or as the company admin. So you can edit a user. Just on this, you look for the user you want to edit, his details, or maybe you want to change the role. So you just click on edit here and you edit the information. Then you can change the role if you want. So when you are in the manage users window, so you can see those you've already invited. You see the users you have. You can see their names. You see the email address. You see the roles. You can see their status here. So with the primary admin here, you can see that it's active. If you see Jones Millie, yes, invited. So I sent an invitation to Jones Millie, but it's not responded yet, so it's not yet active. So if you want to resend, if I want to resend the email, I just click on resend. If I want to delete, if I want to delete this user here, Jones Millie, I'll select delete just to delete the information. If you want to delete any information, you want to view the activity, you can view the activity of a user. So you just click on this three dots here. You can view the activity of a user as an admin or as a company admin, primary admin or as a company admin. So I told you I was going to show you how to invite your accountant to QuickBooks Online. So you just select the accountant tab here to invite your accountant. Select the accountant tab here. So in this box here, you enter the email of your accountant. Enter the email, then you select invite. So this way, QuickBooks will send an email to your accountant. So hope you find this video very, very helpful. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.